viewers, and welcome once again to Ace's Homecure. My name is Estarba Anderson, and as you know, aka Esipewa, in Chawalenyum in the Marbeland live. We're talking about stretch marks. Here are Ace's Homecure that are highly effective to cure stretch marks. We need aloe vera. Before you use it, you have to scoop the gel out of the aloe vera into the bedroom. You know. Be careful, name prep. The skin is made up of elastin, a soft elastic tissue which makes the skin soft, supple, and stretchable. When the skin is overstretched, the elastin gets damaged, and as a result, stretch marks appear. Boko, same way. Be careful not to hurt your fingers. Okay. Touch me tonight, hold me tonight. Stretch marks can be caused due to sudden weight change and then growth in the body during teenage, then after pregnancy. Since I use scoop with gel Mary. Into none apply or stretch marks needle. You leave it for a couple of hours and then you use normal water to wash it. To avoid post-pregnancy stretch marks, apply Vaseline on your abdomen area. Do this after consulting your doctor. Stay healthy, eat well, and take good care of yourself. See you next week. Bye.